The program Good Morning from Benin, the issue for independent television, and Baba God will thank us so much they don't bring us to this day. If you look around now, you will say, cold day, all the harmattan and all that. People, they draw their nose when they get cough, they get cough. But they can't get one to NBC, say, they always say around this period. When NBC, maybe only one person they carry on. You come back now, general to NBC, everybody they see. Now the one NBC they follow. When you get to do with fire. These days now they hear say fire there for left, fire there for right, fire there for middle, fire there for almost everywhere, especially for Edo State here. We'll talk this matter. Then make I go bring somebody when we say he head sharp away for matter when we say concern fire. In short, we'll be able to stand to us as the #1 firefighter for Edo State. And make am say if you come from fire matter, we will always bring them come here. Franklin Agbonlaho, welcome to our program.
Thank you so much.
I greet you. The last time we talked to you, be director that time now.
To be director now.
Yeah, that's good to know. So now you direct the fire. I mean, you direct power and say yes.
I direct the people and I direct the fire.
You direct the fire, make it the type of house. I've been like, wait.
You know, the type of house.
Okay, we will talk about this one when we say don't do now. Almost every day, we don't listen say fire day here, fire day there, and all of that. People like you, now they for work because the fire did them when they fighter. I'm not sure say yes, you would like and make fire. Because fire not then, and don't go they work again.
Well, we thank God say if I not do we no go dey work, but that one only say make we dey play, make we just dey enter people house.
Okay.
Make we not dey enter people house na because they work.
Okay.
And this time we don't want to fight fire again. We dey do things to make sure say fire not enter people house.
Okay.
Make people know how to live in their houses so that fire no go happen.
Okay. What it cause obviously this period that has so fire that we dey see.
We go see another I do say everywhere now dey hot.
Okay.
And as it dey hot, na so breeze dey follow on when we know say na harmattan season we dey.
Okay.
This harmattan season dey carry something like dew. The weather come dey hazy kind of. Wey be say everywhere we don dey dried. Anything wey you see this time, wey be say e get anything wey go make am catch at all. The rate wey dey take move e fast pass when e dey rainy season. Because when everything don dry like this, any outer of thing wey make am spark or ignition source, e just happen. You just see and say before you open your eyes, it don't go far. And when I dey come just now, you see say all the construction of building for the whole of New Lagos Road. I'm not sure say you reach about 10 premises wey get the adequate feet wey supposed to give another building. Okay. Then be say if I happen for any quarter now, they always spread from one to the other.
Okay, they have the two day close to themselves.
And the reason we be say the town planning they do their job. But when time don dey go, people want to get small money, they want to get means of livelihood, then go dey add some during their bidding. You come see say the touch of one building will go lean on the other one. Like one when I see just now when I pass S&T come beside. The roof of somebody don go stay for somebody's staircase. So if I happen for that kind of place, tell me where fireman wan follow, or where the people wan follow come down from that story building. If the fire serious. Okay. And this one will make an enter that building too. Because when the heat don't be serious, everything we did the other building will be dry.
I remember one time when in BC yesterday, because I want to when in BC you talk now, you see how the fireman want to enter the place. I remember when fire enter this tomatoes market for Aduawa, for Kubahi there and all that. I feel say yesterday, una could reach there.
We reach there.
But the challenge when we say some of us come dey feel now, we say the fire come dey burn. Now no reach where.
We struggle to reach where the fire dey. To the extent we come dey climb roof.
Wetin cause that one?
Because they will not get adequate source to follow reach the place where fire dey. Everybody just dey build. We no dey think of exit point. We no dey think of entry point. Wey people dey call exit and entry. When you sound like that, you sound say people go dey come out, people dey go in, and most of these markets wey dem design illegally like that, or make I just talk say no be the government approach standard. The door go be like the one wey we dey use for house, when you wan follow enter inside main market. You can imagine 10 person wan use that same door at the same time.
Come out in case of emergency.
Even when normal market dey go on, everybody struggle to go back. Then they go inside, then they come out. When it is normal, nobody go feel say anything get problem. Now when it be say na emergency na we dey, you come see that door no fit carry anybody. It becomes smaller. because the people who want to enter now,
they won't go at once, right?
at the same time. They remember what happened for stadium.
Right.
When they don't open the big one, they go open the small one. People want go in at the same time, stampede, and that one lead to death that time. When the people just die. So now so they be.
Okay, you talk now say because of the weather, now it make
Fire
they happen anyhow.
So,
but not be every house for the happen. We thank God for that.
Yes.
What the person go fit do to make sure that they check all this kind of fire this thing we see now? What the person go fit do? What did that person do when we say fire no enter your house?
Yes.
What did that person not do when we say make fire enter your own house?
There what they call safety compliance.
Okay.
When we say anything will make you safe for your house, you go to do one. Or those things where you need to get for your house, you go put them in case anything like that happen. You feel bring them down before it become large one. And this time when I sit up now say now Harmattan season, the rate of fire spread is very fast. The day high where say if something dey burn for here, before you open your eyes again, you dey see am for the next 50 feet. The reason be say everything don dry. And then we know they keep our environment clean. Ordinary cobwebs wey we dey see for our building, they carry fire very fast. So
How for cobweb they carry fire?
when you practice am now, you put, you see those days where our man dey cook for kitchen, where they do fry to eat rice. The time we be say go out of
Wait,
proportion,
that's a fry.
you just
This are stew that.
you just see am say the flame go just go from the original seat. You see am for mushroom level, which is the roof level. At the end of the day, na cobwebs carry am like that. If cobwebs no dey, that fire no fit just go once go reach that level. So by this way, they advise people make dem clean their environment. Those things wey dem go do na part of wetin we dey call proper housekeeping. Make dem clean their environment well. Then that belief, blind faith, say e no go happen, no go carry am comot for our mind. Let us believe say e dey happen everywhere. So that one go make us conscious, go make us dey do things wey right, so that e no go happen for our house. We don talk am for this same station. Say make we dey do proper housekeeping. Make we make sure say those things wey go give ignition source, wey dey make fire happen, make we no dey do am. You dey cook, you go dey watch television, you leave am. You imagine wetin happen for Etiti. That one no be Christmas again. Na the most saddest period for anybody's life na be that. Father, mama, pikin just die at the same time. I don't know how the family go take am. So I take this program, tell them say sorry o, wey dey accept our sympathy. But the only thing wey we dey talk be say make we no dey do things wey go make us get problem. House wey dey construct well, the fire enter, e dey quick stop am. But those one wey dey not construct well, e dey hard to stop, because everything come dey congested. And we get one practice for this our continent. Anything wey we change for our motor, wey we use remain for our house,
We can't go house.
we go go pack and put for side of house. And all these things dey create problem wey fire don come. E dey support combustion. That combustion na be the fire wey we dey talk. E go dey make am dey spread fast. Wetin go make us, wetin we fit stop small before, because of those practice wey we dey do. If we dey put water, e no dey go off again. You can imagine where you come put tire, you put wood, you put a paint container, you just store all around your house. We no know wetin we go take am do tomorrow, make we leave am there. At the end of the day, problem na we dey. Na so e still be for our houses too. We dey live like this studio wey we dey now. If fire happen for here, by the special grace of God, no go happen. You go just stop am once, because you can see it get access. There is space, and the things are properly arranged. If something dey happen here now, you fit stop the fire, even without using the suppression gadgets wey we go dey call fire extinguisher. You go just go one plug, remove am, put am down, go the other one, remove am. Current no flow again, fire don dey go down. Na so e be for our kitchen. Like wetin happen for that Etiti, I hear say na gas. People know, some get poor nostril sensitivity, wey be say they no dey hear something dey smell. Make we try. If we dey use gas, before you start am at all, say you wan put, make e dey work, open the window down, open the door, make it disperse first in case there is leakage. Some of us no dey hear if something dey smell. I follow my son go house as we dey do the ceremony. I tell you, we reach him house, we just open door. He say, say that the be like say my gas dey smell. I say, yeah, open the door. We open the door for front sitting room. We go to the kitchen, they leave that one open, small ventilation dey pass through there. Na make the thing no dey congested. At the end of the day, we see say the regulator for up e dey leak. Now I tell am say just remove that regulator. As you remove am, we sit down. After about 5 minutes, we don't hear any odor again. I tell them, say, if you come out for here, go back another regulator, this one's not bad.
Okay.
Then people know the hair like that. Hoses dey, what did they use? Age, they tell on hoses too because of direct heat. As the hose did that cylinder.
Which one be the hose? That pipe when
that
they
pipe
say
when they come put
for the gas.
For the gas.
Okay, from the cylinder to the gas. Okay.
Originally and ideally, we're supposed to do and say cylinder go dey outside the building. But because of
there's some people like that, they put the cylinder for
even when you dey upstairs, your cylinder go dey ground floor. You just take pipe for
direct
hand to this thing. In case anything like that happen, you just go there, shut off the regulator. 50% of that fire don't go down. You go take your eye the same way the thing dey subside. You never even apply any extinguishing medium. So now the thing wey we dey do, wey we dey say no correct, na be that.
Okay, make we come back to.
Try to make sure say this attitude wey we dey try to imbibe, make we stop am.
Okay.
I tell people say candle light no be wetin we dey use now. Sorry to those wey dey manufacture am. I'm not trying to destroy their market, but it's not too good in our houses now. The reason they say people dey use them without caution.
Okay.
Candle light supposed to get candlestick or a ceramic plate
wey
you go put am. Some people just light candle light, you just put on top of television. At the end of the day, don't forget, don't waka comot. That thing will come down, fire wey you say small go come the big one.
You come met after the television.
Yes, even us, we don see am wey be say they will do discharge in the evening. That late night, they will put candle light for somewhere. The following morning na disaster. Fire don occupy this, don burn the whole place down.
That will cause one wind trend for village, then cause the whole thing.
Exactly.
Okay, make we look this one when be say yes, say it concern the way it be so until they fight the fire safe. The time we go here say una reach there. Before now do 1 or 2 water don't finish. Sometimes now say no water and all that. Is it because now no they prepare? Because some people when they for Boy Scouts get one to say be prepared. I look and see people like Conan because of emergency they're supposed to be prepared all the time. Now because I know they prepare, now because I know they get water for inside a motor I've been and what. Because I recall one time say for Ringo I put one of my boss for that place one time. It's called they throw water for that place and all that. You understand who? Come they wonder say by the time they say Thomas I don't call Franklin Agbolao, fire dey for so place so before you run there now half of the water don't finish.
Exactly. That one when you talk, make I quickly respond. Not the way you say they usually know they get problem. That time that motor get defect. But right now if you go there now, you no go see water for ground where they dey pack am. But the problem we can't get for that ring road matter, not be the place where it's supposed to be. If we get standard fire station, it go dey inside the office, under a very conducive environment, out of sun and rain, the whole motor will work well. But this one now, because of lack of accommodation, space where we go put on. I did fire
station. Don't get space for that in the Ministry of this to that time.
The Ministry of Transport that time.
We see when I did there place.
Not be only fire service they use that place now. Very small part of the building place now we they use because ECTS now they use that place mainly now.
Okay.
Because of the space and the package of those vehicles. But that notwithstanding, we have another station which they already local governments. We still they follow those people they struggle because the place don't too small.
But we they see then be one thing when beside they talk about. We they see with our vehicles.
Yes.
Oh, because if I ask you, I say, I not get enough vehicles.
Thank you.
But when I enter that already through the back there, I see some vehicles they even new, but they not get tire. They not get everything. And I say yes, even some paper or say the newness. You go see and what you tell say it is still new. Why not go abandon that kind of a vehicle when you say it did the like for tire?
Look, not answer 2 things when you talk at the same time.
You answer the first after one after the other. Man.
This one when you talk last. If you thank God say you talk say tire not this one. Those vehicles come 2013. You don't reach with tires when we be changing. Because now everyday work. You can imagine from on the 18th or 15th of this month till the present date we don't get more than 38 fire outbreak.
For Edo State.
Edo State. Even the state capital here. Like yesterday we get more than 3. That time when they called me for night at about after 1 or to 2. We still get one for near traditional ground for night. I know they sleep. People they call every day. So those vehicles, if they work, that one we still get newness. That one have to fight fire for high-rise building. In case fire day, place like Palm House, all those.
But that vehicle, when you look at that vehicle, you see that vehicle has not left that place for years.
Yes.
The way the tire be for ground, you go no say it don't take when they for ground.
They try to solve. they try to make sure say they fix am. But right now that motor no fit work without a compressor pump.
Okay.
And it get problem. Then you still get some programming problem too, which we say we need to do, which the government is trying to fix now. But that notwithstanding, we always ask for more. I say the distance too far. Then I will leave Benin at the go logo.
How many functional vehicles now get?
Only one for now.
Okay, if I get functional vehicle, only one, and yesterday night when you say me, they talk, and I get more than one incident, which will can't happen.
Yeah, the only thing we could do, now because they do say we get.
But at the point, at the point of the stance, say NDDC giving us vehicles.
And the vehicles now we still use now.
No. You say wait first now. It's not the vehicles they use, but I say how many functional vehicles you get? You say one. But you cut also yes when I get the vehicles. So now
the vehicles so
now only one they functional.
Just now say you reach there, you see they say they new. If not be say you get closed loop, you're not gonna say you get problem. You just say they function.
Now they tell you so.
So the one that
you wait now. Only one now they work.
Now they work now. And if I did two places
at the same time,
like yesterday, there was one where they tried to salvage properties with the Uluku by that dump sites. It was a problem.
Now for Tofuri.
For Tofuri there. And then fire happened for Republic Lane.
Okay.
We can't share ourselves. That condition, we'll try to recall other agencies to assist us. And the thing where they make those people the fear now, apart from those security agencies, we get arms. Motor like Uniben now, I don't know as our free call them, made them quick and respond to me. Because when they go First Bank for Welu, they destroy their motor, they beat the staff. Yesterday, the same thing happened to my men for Mela Motel Road. People were making advances to destroy the vehicle and beat them up because of time frame when they take reach there. You don't know where they did, the time when you call them. Maybe they do one work, and then they finish from there, they can't try to respond to the one when you call them for here. You say they're not quick come, they destroy motor. If you destroy them today, tomorrow we will not go sell and use. But we believe say government we don't provide for us. So as they use this program, they appeal to people.
If government don't provide for now, maybe it's not enough.
That's what I thought.
So now be the same because now only one vehicle. So wait first now. If you are saying that yes, you get only one vehicle
responding now.
That responding to all this thing now. If you get only one, the fire they happen for Benin here, only one I put for Ring Road. That for Benin here, more than one, I don't know if you go there. Let's say those they happen for other areas. By application now, if they have for any other place outside Benin, no need to call on now.
You know if you use motorway for Benin.
No, I they ask now.
Not be say you go ask. From your own mind, now make me talk just now, so make you know they put question on top of question. People will just say we not get water for motor. I not see where doctor go go theater. We not carry tools, things we go use. Now so it be for teacher. If they go class, hold
chop.
Chop will go to that for board. It's not possible.
Now they tell you
when we reach there, the magnitude of that fire will determine the rate where that water will take finish.
When are they
but the problem what would they get? They say we are supposed to have a backup. If that one has finish, another one will start, the other one will go refill.
Come back.
And ideally, the road is supposed to get strategic fire hydrants. Where we say you just stop, take water from the closest source of water to the scene of.
Is it because government know they put eye for matter where concern fire?
We not fit us say they put eye for matter where.
You know if you talk to because you they work for government, I been out make you know attack your bosses, I mean talk true, talk matter the way it be about your bosses.
Part of the issue be say hand no dey cover everything at the same time.
Okay.
From one spot to the other, you must do it to make sure say it suit the state. When you are doing this, you finish that and enter to the other one. I believe say that one be the problem we will get. But right now, those vehicles when I tell you say they not the function. The governor don't send people where they call check am. Make them make sure say they fix them.
Okay.
Once they fix them, I was praying say make it happen before today. Because the rate of fire outbreak for this dry season period is very, very high.
And if we continue between now and around March.
You know they get class of person. Whether you big or you small, it can happen. There's no perfect day. If somebody like Ibadan, they cannot do this specific. Somebody will get safety consciousness. If I tell you what that man do, by our recommendation for UBTH, buy fire engine, put everything. When fire won't happen, go happen for your house. And then, You get what I talk. So we pray make it not be say class of persons dey. We be say no.
But you work out your speaking house, so you talk about now. Say gas, the smell, and the rest. So
Even
you
my own house.
don't go good now. Meet up here. Say
Even my own
Franklin
house.
Agbola, director of fire service, don't stay fire enter your house or enter Pikin house.
So that's it.
Okay,
So,
make I tell you something. When would they grow up that time? Would they say and say for markets? Because I grew up for around New Benin area. I think for New Benin we get we do the same fire motor for side there. Even though fire motor, we go see and see the build tank when we say motor, then come they carry water just in case and all that. You go see some things when it come out like when they put hose,
yes.
you carry water.
Be hydrant and stuff
Not now go school, we no go school. So I'll come ask now, why we know they see all of these things again? Even the ones when our eye don't see before, you know they again.
Now you know say when they do some certain things, people will not know the relevance of what they remove. What would they do reconstruction? A lot of those things they excavate them. Two, the system of water in the state not be what we will talk about again. So we not feel rely on hydrant now on a direct supply from water board.
And the
So the only thing now what we do, you do strategic locations where we will get water, put hydrant for there, we go feed it, give us plenty water with overhead tank of about 20,000 or 25,000 liters of water. We be say you store there. In case of emergency,
don't go there.
You will just drop and gravitationally, you could just fill the vehicle as quickly as possible. Then you go back to the source where the scene where you for the fight fire. But this one now will be say the condition we will operate for Benin now. If we dey upper, water finish. With the good Kobayi go bring water.
Before I go Kobayi come back, it's still double finish.
So don't they affect places where we say we don't first put off. Or we dey go airport, Benin airport, Nigeria Air Force go collect water. All these ones not close. So what we dey pray for be say make we get strategic locations where we get fire hydrants for different locations for Benin. And we get reserve water for emergency.
All this one when we say we dey talk about this thing, you never answer my question. You know, be like say the constitution are more of Benin or the metropolitan area. Maybe like Ego, Oredo, Ikpobaoka, you know, this one just they and we never talk about people like Eho. We never talk like people like places like Afuzi. This is still put us more.
Yes.
Awuchi, Esako, area like that. Even better my village.
Yes.
You know, we never talk of place like that. We never talk of different small place like that. If fire they enter that kind of place, Franklin Agbola, what is Sado go do?
The thing we would plan now be say, put it on board now. We don't try to make sure say we liaise with local government chairman. Let them give us some of their staff. We will train them as auxiliary firemen. Already they are on their payroll. Then we will repair all these vehicles. I tell you just now, say governor they do some certain things to fix those vehicles we will get. Then probably in due course they will add more.
Even if they fix all those vehicles, because the vehicles when I see some of them are feasible, some of them are not feasible.
No, the one we will get for now are fixable.
Okay.
The only thing at time, and maybe we'll get professionals we go fit, reprogram some of them, make them they function well. If we do one, all this one are money. They say na money na dey slow down so many things. If money dey and we just put am as quickly as possible, all these things will come out well if they fix am. And I believe say the action wey government take now to make sure say they fix those vehicles. We get some certain information say a place like Auchi, we know wetin the weather go be now.
Yeah. Yeah.
The rate we fire the
that area no go.
Na so before Eboma. So they try to make sure say we fix vehicles put for these locations. And then when we train these fire officers, firemen, auxiliary firemen, and then go dey help the firemen we will get for those locations. Because right now there is acute shortage of personnel. The employment they do now, they don't bring some engineers come join us, maybe to put more light to the system we will use. Then with the appeal now to government, make them bring other ranks, maybe the junior staff. We don't feel the guest supervisory officers for every department, everywhere. And at the end of the day, the work we go do go slow down because everybody go feel say them the oga. But if you get the one who supervise and is subordinate to you, if you give them instruction, it will work. Okay. Me, I work for this job from 1980 to about 90, I don't get promotion. So
that not matter what we say we go talk some other time.
We were working very well to make sure say we do our job.
Okay.
And we love this job. That is what is keeping us here.
Okay, one of that thing when we say you get to do with fire service, now it be safety.
Yes.
Especially safety of the firefighters. If somebody they sick today for hospital, or they look at that person when they look after the person. that person even need more care. The caregiver needs some level of care too, and all that. And I see your men, I don't see some fire scene, I see your men with slippers for leg. You understand? I see your men with ordinary shirts and trousers. I will see your men, see this one, shirt not there again, you wear trousers, but singlet, why singlet there body, it fight fire. This kind of this thing, where the person can't be. We don't want to talk about your own story when we say, you see your hand now, remember this your story when you tell us the other time. When we say the fight fire, when fire burn your hand, the sky is still there, and the sky don't deal with you forever. The safety of the firefighters.
That one we talk now correctly. Especially when you are working in a favorable condition. Any outbreak is not favorable to a fireman. So you're supposed to be properly treated. You will get everything for a body, you go protect them.
Because if you wear slippers now, if you put your leg and you see you met your leg.
All this one we try to tell the system. Okay. Make them provide.
Which one be the system? Government.
Government. The system. So when we talk they agree say they go provide. With the weight, make them give us those kits. We could get and we could use them. We get one day we will go one smoke-free bank. With this smoke full inside the bank, nobody feel enter. But because of the technicality, my men still go inside, go work. When they come out, and the staff of the bank now when they complain, say, Oga, why you don't give these people face mask, then breathing apparatus to make sure so they feel going to this place? I say, we don't make order. Make them give us. So when they provide them, it makes the job easier. And you go work, you don't go get sickness. Somebody will heal too much.
That's smoke, right.
You will get problem in due course. Maybe as a young, now God is saying everybody. Those of us with the work now will get one problem or the other, probably as a result of poor condition of the service. So this one we talk with the beg government. Let them come to our aid. Let them give us those necessary things we will make us really work well to protect our life. Because the BT apparatus will always support your life in an unfavorable condition where you are working.
Before I go let you come out and because time not be our friend again, may I ask you this one? Just tell me one or two things when we say Thomas Ado, Hilary Nosaudia, Viterio, Akpololo, and all of us will do to make sure say here fire not enter.
Yes, thank you very much. We talk them every time for you. Only say people then go complain say you know say we know they get lights. Some they get light, then they get radio, then they get these informations. Make them try, make them follow and up. Driver will they drive vehicle with they carry fuel. Make sure say they don't drink. Then if you want park a motor, make you look the environment you want park. If you want go carry diesel, make you know say na diesel you want go carry. If you come, make you wash that same motor before you go carry fuel. If you carry fuel, the flash point of fuel na high pass that of diesel. So you go put them for safe place if you want park. Driver they get assistant. E good make one person stay with the motor. That motor not supposed to be work, make the tires get problem, the bearings. If you get friction, they generate heat. If the engine know they work well, they go they give the driver attention, and the driver too not supposed to be smoke. That's one for the people. If you want discharge petrol, you see and say, we know they too much get petrol station fire because of their level of consciousness. Make them try, make them still intensify what they do. Put your extinguishers around the place.
We will come to houses.
Houses. We will come. When we dey cook, make we try, make we dey pay proper attention. If we dey run generator, make we dey look where we put am. Nearness of the petrol wey dey take run that gen, no put am close. They put am for a different place. And now I no fit talk say make houses no dey get petrol because na be the source of power now.
Because power not there again.
Not there again. So make them try, make them keep am well in a place where we say it's always cool, so that the jerrycan or can where they put am on go dey expand. If you can't get any source of ignition, it will blow off. Fire will happen. Then gas, as I talk on just now, people know they put on near window where oxygen will support the flaring of the gas. If we not hear that one, fire will happen. Then if we want light gas for our houses, if we know they do one before, make we open our doors and window. First for about 5 minutes. If there's any concentrate of leakage, we don't first do that.
You first come out.
You go first come out before you go light your gas. Then electrical installations. Make we not try to do quack. Make we call qualified people, maybe they do one for us. Then over holistically, make sure see those things we just say no go happen, it will feel happen. no go forget about blind faith.
God forbid.
God forbid, no go happen for my house. When it won't happen,
The person has what happen, and God no forbid for that person.
For that one. So
Frankly,
thank God.
Frankly, Agbala, thank you so much. We know when next we call you, go show your face. Yeah, again, congratulations again for your son. May God continue to bless us. You see, our brother Franklin Agbala, I'm the director of Edo State Fire Service. Don't tell us so many things then. Because this is the time when BC Fire to be born for everywhere, for Edo State, they happen. Everywhere now BC they happen. But for Edo State here now, we are in BC with them. All the places where BC they watch us, we could be very, very careful. For this one be the period when BC say, when they call for fire outbreak. You get the appeal when BC still making, I beg when BC sent to government. Some of the vehicles, they when BC they're bad. We hear now one try to repair them. More can come off for one try to repair them, more than repair them. And secondly, two, the one BC they need more vehicles, more than give them to them. So the thing could reduce. Frankly, thank you so much again.
Thank you very much.
God bless you.